Hi, everyone out there. Welcome back to the David English Academy. This is going to be a review on like and as. It's an intermediate lesson, and we're here today to go over the uses of like and as, and then we're going to do some exercises on it, and we'll have a listening and repeat activity at the end, so we can wait for that until the end. And this is a review for what me or one of my teachers have already done with you. If you want more exercises, you can always check at davidenglish.info to do more. So let's get started. Uses of as. Number 1, role or job or function. The structure is the subject plus as plus job or role, meaning it describes someone's role or purpose. Example, she works as a teacher. Her job is a teacher, but she works as a teacher. Number 2, the second use for as, it's comparison. When we want to show that something is equal, the structure is subject plus be plus as plus adjective plus as plus the thing or person, meaning two things are the same in quality. Example, this puzzle is as difficult as the last one. Both puzzles are equally difficult. The third use is for reason, because. Structure, subject plus verb plus as plus the reason, meaning it shows cause or similar to because. Example, he left early as he had an appointment. It's like saying because he had an appointment, he left early. He left early because he had an appointment. You can say he left early as he had an appointment. So here we have a little bit of a table to show you the use, the structure, and an example for the word like and as. The word like is a comparison, which means it's similar to something. Its structure is usually with the word like, with a noun and pronoun. And an example is, she sings like a professional, right? She sings like a professional. We're comparing her to someone else. As is for a real role or a clause. As plus subject plus verb. Here we go. She sings as a professional does. She sings as a professional does. Tip: use like when comparing, and use as when you're talking about a real role or a full sentence. Directions: complete the sentence with like or as. At this point, you can stop the video. You can get yourself a pen or a pencil and a notebook and maybe even a coffee and write down your answers. Number 1, she performs a professional singer. What do you think the answer is? I'm going to say she performs as a professional singer because she actually is a professional singer. Number 2, the weather feels autumn today. Well, let's say you're comparing. Okay, the weather feels like autumn today. Even though it's, let's say, winter, it feels like autumn today. Or maybe it's summer and it feels like autumn today. Number 3, he treats her his own sister. So maybe this person isn't his own sister. What do you think? He treats her like his own sister, or he treats her as his own sister? I'm going to go with he treats her like his own sister. 4, they laughed. They were having the best time. I'm going to say that they laughed like they were having the best time. Ha 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 ha. 5, this book is written like or as a novel. What do you think? I'm going to say this book is written as a novel because it actually is a novel. Again, stop the video, write down your answers in your notebook, and then continue and check your answers. Number 6, the soup tastes, it's too salty. What do you think? I'm going to say the soup tastes like it's too salty. I'm comparing here. 7, she looks her mother in that dress. She looks as her mother in that dress? No way. She looks like her mother in that dress. Again, we're comparing. Number 8, he acts, he's the smartest person in the world. Well, he actually feels this way, so you can say he acts as he's the smartest person in the room. 9, the flowers smell fresh spring rain. I think in this one, it's more like a comparison. I'm going to say the flowers smell like fresh spring rain. Number 10, you should use this tool, a hammer. So in this case, I'm going to say you should use this tool as a hammer because it actually is a hammer or something. Now at this time, please subscribe to the channel, give me a like and a thumbs up, and let's continue getting better here. Number 11, they danced if no one was watching. I'm going to say they danced as if no one was watching. Number 12, she plays the piano a virtuoso. She plays the piano like a virtuoso. 13, it sounds a great plan to me. The answer is, it sounds like a great plan to me. Number 14, he spoke if he was confident. He spoke as if he was confident. 15, the cake looks, it was made by a chef. I'm going to say the cake looks like it was made by a chef. You're doing amazing. We got another 5 more. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, share this with a friend, and let's make people's lives better. Number 16, she runs a gazelle. What do you think? She runs like a gazelle, okay? She runs like a gazelle. Number 17, they consider him their leader. They consider him as their leader. Number 18, the sunset. Beautiful. The sunrise tonight. I'm going to go with the sunset is as beautiful as the sunrise tonight. That means they're equally as beautiful. Number 19, he works a consultant for several companies. I'm going to go with he works as a consultant for several companies. And number 20, she smiled. What do you think? She just heard good news. I'm going to say she smiled as if she just heard good news. She smiled as if she just heard good news. Guys, amazing job. I would like you now to share some things you like, enjoy, and compare them with the word like. That would be very good. Write it down in your notebooks. Even write it down in the comments and share it with me. Again, at davidenglish.info, you could do more exercises like these. Here are the sentences. I can read them out to you, okay? She performs as a professional singer. The weather feels like autumn today. He treats her like his own sister. They laugh like they were having the best time. This book is written as a novel. The soup tastes like it's too salty. She looks like her mother in that dress. He acts as if he's the smartest person in the room. The flowers smell like fresh spring rain. You should use this tool as a hammer. 11, they dance as if no one was watching. 12, she plays the piano like a virtuoso. 13, it sounds like a great plan to me. 14, he spoke as if he was confident. 15, the cake looks like it was made by a chef. 16, she runs like a gazelle. 17, they consider him as their leader. 18, the sunset is as beautiful as the sunrise. 19, he works as a consultant for several companies. and 20, she smiled as if she just heard good news. Remember, everybody, you're only going to get better if you practice all the time. And for more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. I believe in modeling someone to really get good at English. And again, you can come to davidenglish.info to do more exercises. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.